Hi, so today's video is about the Kit Kat Club. Today's video is a very simple one. We'll be just talking about the Kit Kat Club in general. So, the Kit Kat Club was formed in the 18th century like the Scribblers Club, and they were an influential group in England comprising some of the most prominent figures in politics, arts, and literature. The club was named, interestingly enough, after Christopher Cat. So Christopher Cat, he was a pie maker whose mutton pies, called the Kit Kats, were favored by the club members. The Kit Kat Club was formally established in a tavern in Shire Lane near Temple Bar, which was kept by Christopher Cat, and the club eventually moved to Barn Elms in the summer. The writers in the Kit Kat Club greatly influenced the 18th century English literature. Their works often reflected the social and political ideals of their time, and members like Joseph Addison and Richard Steele popularized a new style of writing with periodicals such as The Tatler and The Spectator. So The Tatler and The Spectator, they are very important. We need to keep that in mind. And through their periodicals, they also encouraged reasoned debate and polite discourse, which is a hallmark of the Enlightenment period. Now, looking into the members of the Kit Kat Club, we see that the club consisted of around 39 members, and they were mostly playwrights, poets, and politicians. But some of the more well-known members of the Kit Kat Club were Richard Steele, Sir Richard Steele. He was an Irish writer and politician who also co-founded the Spectator magazine with his friend Joseph Addison. Joseph Addison, he was an English essayist, poet, and a politician. He was known for his work on the Spectator magazine. William Congreve, he was an English playwright and poet, and he was best known for his play The Way of the World. John Vanbrugh, he was a dramatist and an architect. He was also known for his work The Provoked Wife and the buildings Blenheim Palace and Castle Howard. We also have Charles Seymour. He was the 6th Duke of Somerset. If we look into the literary canon of English literature, we will see that several significant works of literature and drama came from the members of the Kit Kat Club. Some examples include The Spectator. So The Spectator, it was a daily publication by Joseph Addison and Richard Steele. It was single-handedly written by these two writers and was instrumental in setting the literary taste of the time. We also have The Way of the World. The Way of the World, it was a play by William Congreve, and it is now regarded as one of the greatest comedies of Restoration period. We also have The Provoked Wife. The Provoked Wife is a comedy by John Vanbrugh. It was a daring piece for its time due to its exploration of women's marital rights. Canto, a Tragedy. It was a play written by Joseph Addison. It deals with themes of individual liberty versus government tyranny. So there's a little bit about the Kit Kat Club. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.